You may not have enough views or subscribers to qualify for Google AdSense, but let's try it differently. To make an Amazon account, you have to first make a website. So go to wix.com and you can get a free website. I'm going to show you an example of my website. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Site Actions. Once you get there, you can go up to View Live Site. Here it says VW Blogs. It has buttons at the top, but none of these are active at the moment. None of these buttons work yet. I don't have any information or links or anything underneath the buttons. So that tells you that you don't really have to keep up with that. You just have to have a website or blog to start an Amazon account. So let me take a break for a second and show you how I get my links into my YouTube. So I go to one of my videos, and I think I'm going to go with the window shopping. Then down below, click Edit Video. Go down into your description box, and you always want to make sure that you specifically say affiliate links, so people know ahead of time that these are products that you are selling or not selling, advertising. So now we're going to head over to our Amazon account. You can pick whatever you want to advertise. So here I'm just going to show an example of a backpack. We're going to go down to this teal one. And over to the right, you'll see a Get Link button. When you click that, it's going to take you to the place to get your link. There's text and image, text only, and image only. I always go for text only, and I scroll down to the short link. That way it looks a lot smaller. You copy and paste in the description box. Type what you are advertising. And save changes. Now we're going to go over and check if the link was copied. And there it is. And let's say they don't buy the bag. If they go and search for another product while on the same link, like a Fire Stick, if they purchase the Fire Stick, you get a percentage of that money, which is commission for you. So it's all good either way. To start your journey, go over to Amazon and scroll to the very bottom. And at the bottom, you'll see Become an Affiliate. Click on that and fill out the application. Now I'm going to show you an example, or a few examples, of how much you will be making from each product you advertise and sell. So 6% of 100 is $6. 6% of 1,000 is 60. I hope you all found this video helpful. Please let me know in the comments if you liked it, and please like and subscribe.